Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to send friend request in Free Fire Max. To send friend request on Free Fire Max, first of all, open up the Free Fire Max application on your device and from the home screen, tap on the friends icon at the top right, which is indicated by two human icons. Now inside your Friends tab, you will be able to see the Add button on the bottom left. Simply tap on that and then in the search box at the top, input the nickname or the user ID of the person you are trying to send the friend request to. You will then be able to see the search results based on the username or ID that you've given. Simply go ahead and tap on the plus icon right next to the contact in order to send them the friend request on Free Fire Max. The player will receive your friend request, and if they accept it, you will be friends in Free Fire Max. So that is how it's done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Free Fire Max tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.